Now another construction where base is given, one of the base angle is given and difference of two sides is also given. Construct a triangle ABC in which base BC is 5.7 centimeter. Angle at vertex B is 30 degree and difference AB and AC, that is difference of lengths of other two sides, is 2 centimeter. How we will proceed? First I am explaining here the drawing, that how we will construct, then I will write steps and then I will explain you its justification logic. As base BC is 5.7, so I will take the scale and I will draw a line segment label as BC. How much? 5.7 centimeter. Now the question is, angle at B is 30 degree. Method is very much clear how to draw with the help of compass and angle of 30 degree. You have to follow that and draw a ray with the help of scale so that this angle is 30 degree. Label this as X. First step, you have drawn the base BC. How much is this base BC? Given 5.7. Angle at B 30 degree. AB minus AC 2 centimeter. Whatsoever is the difference given, you have to take 2 centimeters radius in the compass, B as center and cut it like this. Suppose this point is D. How much is BD? It is 2 centimeter. BD is 2 centimeter. Okay. First BC 5.7, second angle at B 30 degree, a long ray. Then what difference is given here? 2 centimeter in this case. Taking B as center, cut BD how much? 2 centimeter. Join D to C. Now I need to draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. Perpendicular bisector of DC meets this extended ray somewhere at a point A. Join A to C. This ABC is required triangle. Why? Because AB minus AD is 2 centimeter, but AD will be equal to AC because of again congruency. If I take M, this is the AM is the right bisector of this portion which was joined. So with the help of congruency, I can say AD will be equal to AC, and this is very much clear that AB minus AD is 2 centimeter. In place of AD, AC is possible to replace. That's why AB minus AD, that is AB minus AC will be 2 centimeter. What are the steps to be followed? You have to observe first what? Draw BC, line segment BC, how much? 5.7 centimeter. Second, angle, draw angle. You can say draw an angle, that is which angle? Angle CBX. CBX. How much? 30 degree. Third step, take BD is equals to 2 centimeter because difference is given 2 centimeter. Fourth, join D to C. Fifth, draw perpendicular bisector of DC which meets BX at A. Sixth step, join A to C. And last, triangle ABC is required triangle. What is the justification? First is BC, as we have taken 5.7 centimeters, so one justification, one reason. Second is angle B is, that is how much? 30 degree we have drawn. Third, triangle AMD triangle AMD is congruent to triangle AMC by SAS condition, or this is your DM and CM equal because perpendicular bisectors of DC, so M is midpoint. 1 and 2 are equal, perpendicular 190 each, AM is common, so SAS condition says that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle AMD. This implies AD will be equal to AC. AD is equals to AC by CP CT. Question is that AD is equals to AC, but difference of the AB and AC must be 2 centimeter. Here you can observe difference of AB and AB and AD. AB and AD's difference is 2 centimeter. Because if you subtract AD from AB, remaining part BD is taken as 2 centimeter. In place of AD, I can replace easily what? AC. So this implies AB minus AC is 2 centimeter. This is the logic. This is the reason that how to construct a triangle if base, one of the base angle and difference of lengths of other two sides is given.